What's good, y'all? Welcome to today's trade recap. Today is October 15th, 2025. I took 2 trades today. Actually 2 L's. I haven't taken a trade in like a fucking week and a half. And the day I come back, I take 2 L's. The first trade was an A+ setup in my eyes, and the second trade was just dumb as shit because my technical analysis was incorrect. And I'll go over that in a second. Or not incorrect, but just very vague. I could have been more in depth, and I'll go over it in a second. So coming into this morning, I was leaning more bullish than anything. We had a unfilled 15-minute right here. We had an unfilled hourly ahead as well, and then we also had a previous day high right here as well. So we were pretty close to previous day high, creating relatively equal highs. What I wanted to see at market open was some sort of manipulation lower, and then we can continue higher. So my first trade, we ended up getting a 1-hour SMT. We swept out these 1-hour intermediate lows right here at 7 o'clock. As you guys can see, 7 o'clock did not end up getting swept out on... Yes, okay. So we ended up getting an hourly SMT. Along with that, we tapped in to this hourly fair value gap as well. And at this point in time, we were still respecting it. And then from there, on the lower time frames, we had a internal SMT as well with these market open lows. Give me 1 second. Here we go. Up until this point of time. Give me 1 second. ES was trading a lot higher. So at this point in time, I was like, cool. If we can get a inversion with this 1 minute gap, it looks really good. We have an AMD model also cooking up. We got a 1 minute inversion. My break even was these internal highs, and then my take profit was just to these external highs right here. So I ended up getting stopped out with like 2 minutes, and then I re-entered off of a 1 minute IFEG and a CISD as well off of the resweep. We still had the SMT in place, but here's where my technical analysis got fucked up. ES was generating all this LR, and then also on NQ, what did we have? Well, we had this unfilled 15-minute gap that I failed to realize was here. Okay, so this is what really fucked me up today, and this is just the raw reality, right? I need to be 100% transparent with you guys if I am going to help you guys learn. I need to show you guys my mistakes as well and the raw reality of essentially just being a fucking day trader, right? So I ended up getting stopped out immediately, and then what ends up happening? Well, we end up running to all my take profits. So I had the correct bias, right? But what was wrong on my end? My technical analysis part. So what can I do when I go ahead and journal? Well, I can be like, okay, I need to be A, more thorough, and B, I should have just fucking looked at that, right? I should have just zoomed out to the 15-minute because I was on the 15-minute anyway. I just failed to realize that this gap was A, unfilled, and B, there was damn near equal lows at that gap as well. So that's what really fucked me up today. I was more worried about this 15-minute gap more than anything. Just a stupid day, right? I haven't traded in like a week. I haven't even been looking at the charts, so I was a little rusty. But no excuse, right? Everything is my fault. Those... right, no one to blame but my fault. I can either handle it one of two ways, right? If you do this, take 2 losses, you can just go ahead and revenge trade and possibly blow your accounts, or you can just take it on the chin and fucking learn from it. Okay, now previously, what would I have done? I would have just overtraded and probably just blew all my accounts, even though this next setup was just a fucking beautiful setup. But what are my rules? My rules are 2 trades a day. So even though I've seen this, I just forward tested it. That was it. Even though it was probably better than both of these 2 setups combined, which it was. But I need to stick to my rules, and I need to stay disciplined, right? So I'm going to be fully transparent with you guys. I did blow 1 XFA today out of my 4. But I guess Top Step has this thing. You pay $500 and get that shit right back. So I just paid the $500. So I'm back up to 5. But yeah, I did end up blowing 1 XFA today. It kind of sucks. I haven't blown an account in a fucking very, very long time. But hey, it is what it is. At the end of the day, it's just the raw reality of being a trader. You can't always have wins, and you aren't always just gonna fucking succeed, right? So it is what it is. Just take it on the chin. If you guys did lose today, just whatever, just journal it, learn from it, and then move on. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead, leave them in the comments, and I will catch y'all boys tomorrow.